Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome to ST and Scotty. Software-defined networking at its best, becoming a professional, is the goal of this training and these lessons. We are looking at a Windows 8.1 environment here, an operating system. It's an evolution of Windows, which we all hate and love at the same time. Windows 3.11, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 7, 8, 10. As a networking engineer, you will have to master this operating system along with others. You're looking at a mind map, an overview of the lesson plan we have. We're going to start out with tools that you need in your tool bag, and then we're going to go into soft skills, what you need in order to communicate successfully with your customer. And then we're going to go into lessons and labs about Cisco and lessons and labs about checkpoint firewalls. I'm telling you, these are amazing topics, and you're going to learn some amazing information that's going to help you accomplish your goals of becoming a professional software or professional networking engineer. I guarantee that in your tool bag, these are the tools you should have, and you need to work towards attaining and mastering is Python, programming languages, C, C++, HTML, JavaScript, PowerShell, Bash. In order to move fast, you need to know software programming. I will help you achieve those goals. Leo text editor. You need a text editor when you are documenting calls, tickets, point of contacts. The cool thing about Leo is we have Python integration, that we can use the Python in the background to help us accumulate data, sort out and analyze, so as to find the solution quicker, or to make suggestions to the customer that this could be and that could be. And this is why we should maybe think about doing this or that. Anki flashcards. I tell you, by repetition, numeration, iterating through flashcards, you can deepen your knowledge on certain topics. That's why you need Anki. I'm going to show you how to use Anki a way you never even thought about using. You need an image editor when you're doing screenshots to conserve your screenshots. Faststone editor, Greenshot is really great. You need those tools. Simple mind maps. If you can solve any problem, mind maps will help you solve it quicker. You have a better structure, an overview of the problem, and the dependencies. Through mind maps, you can get the big picture quick. Dropbox. Why do you need Dropbox? Man, I tell you, by synchronizing your data across different devices, Dropbox will help you keep your information consistent across all your different devices, so that you only have to record one time, and you have it on the other device. And you go on another device and you write something, synchronize, you have it on the other devices. It helps you enormously. AnyDesk. Why AnyDesk? Well, you need a remote desktop, a type of VNC, in order to do any remote monitoring or remote configurations. You need a remote desktop type of environment, and AnyDesk is going to help you. And the great thing about AnyDesk is you can go onto Linux and you can go into Windows. It's really great. It's powerful. And also, you can do it on an Android device. Amazing. Cool stuff. The operating systems we are going to be talking about are Windows, of course, Linux, Cisco, Checkpoint, and the microprocessors, ESP32s. Lots of great hardware and operating systems that we're going to be talking about. That the software is the heart of every hardware device, and the software is only as good as the person who wrote it. Now, I guarantee you Windows is full of bugs because there's a lot of dummies out there writing on Windows. And Linux is the same way, but Linux may be better because it's open source and people are allowed to speculate and observe what's going on and comment on it and act on the solution of making the server environment better. Cisco devices, networking devices, amazing. Checkpoint firewalls, #1 in the whole world. We're going to be talking about the R80.10, the Gaia, going on the command line, getting your stuff done, reaching your goals, becoming a security administrator, becoming a routing and switching professional, Cisco CCNA, CCNP. I'm having my difficulties right now achieving my CCNP, but I guarantee you I'm going to make it because it's something I want, and I'm going to make it, and I'm show you how I struggled but yet was able to make it. I'm going to show you that struggle will pay off. It will be pain and struggle, but there's also knowledge and struggle. Knowledge and growth and struggle. And that's why you should never give up. We're going to be talking about the ISE, the Identity Service Engine from Cisco. We're going to talk about the wireless LAN controller. I'm certified on the wireless. I'm certified on the checkpoint, security administration. I have my routing and switching CCNA. I'm working on my CCNP. I've been on Nexus 7, 9000s, the Nexus 5000, all that stuff. I'm going to give you some information. And the layer 2, layer 3 switches, all that stuff we're going to be talking about. So here we're talking about the soft skills you're going to need to talk to the customer. You're going to be able to need soft skills. The industry wants a networking engineer with soft skills. I'm going to show you good morals and standards and ethics. Being responsible for your actions. Do not give up. Report back. Protocol everything in a professional way. Do unto others as you would have someone do unto you. Treat yourself with respect. Lead the way. And my 5 M's, my principle with their 5 M's, it's going to get you motivated, moving. Meditation is so powerful, and it's something you need to learn yourself, your strengths and your weaknesses. Meditation, memory, how to motivate yourself and memorize better, and how to mesmerize yourself. So as you're reaching your goals, you can look back and say, man, I am so amazed at what I accomplished. That's mesmerizing. Last but not least, we're going to dive into Cisco with lessons and labs and increase our know-how. And on Checkpoint, we're going to dive in deep on the Checkpoint firewalls and learn how to manage and administrate the firewalls. I'm going to show you some really, really great stuff. I appreciate you being here, listening to me, giving your time. I'm going to be devoted to helping you reach your goals. And I would like to say thank you very much. I look forward to it.